Hi, I'm Roina Anand Kira, and this is my home in Mumbai. So we moved in 2012, just after we were married, and this is the first home we've ever lived in. I'd been to Greece a few months before that. We'd gone to Spain. So I just loved like the whole play of white. I loved like adding accents of blue. So I just knew the color palette that I wanted to work with. So we've gotten this lovely like this eggshell color and stuff that basically we would just play off the textures, things like with the grooves on the furniture, the lovely like the antique candles. I think the main thing that just was the soul of the house was the art. Gustav Klimt is like one of my most favorites. So we actually picked up like original prints. I have all my favorite. I've got Monet, I've got Van Gogh, I've got Gustav Klimt, and I've got this amazing like horse mural that has been actually passed down from my grandparents. It's a wooden mural. Our most favorite area in the house would to just like chill together would really just be this couch here, because it's just like it's wide, it's big, it's huge. We sit and we just chill on Sundays, and sometimes we eat here, sometimes we play board games here, sometimes sitting with the kids here, and then the bed, of course. I mean, that's another just like downtimes.